how to fix Starz login keeps logging out problem. First, if your account keeps on logging out of your device, what you want to do is you want to simply go to your Starz application over here, or you can do it from the website as well. You want to simply go to the login page. Once you're inside the login page, you'll be able to simply tap on the save password option over there, and once you log in, you would have successfully saved your password, and the next time you try to log in, you don't need to enter your password again over there. However, if the problem still continues regardless of you saving your password, you want to simply come back from the application completely, tap and hold on to your Starz application, tap on app info, tap on storage and cache, and here you want to simply clear your cache over here. After that, you want to simply check for any kinds of update as well. Go to your Play Store over here, tap on the search icon, and you want to simply search for the Starz application. If any kinds of update is available, you want to simply update the app from here, and you shouldn't be having those glitches. However, if the problem still continues, you can simply tap on Chrome browser over here, and you'll be able to simply contact the official support team from the website over here as well, and by doing so, you shouldn't be having any kinds of issues over here. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.